We're here outside the Kansai International Airport. Kukuha kami ng rail pass going to Kyoto for our first journey. Kuha muna kami ng ticket, rail pass ticket. We will start from Kyoto, then Osaka.
Thousand years later.
Yung dinanas namin sa train station. Ayan, experience to experience. Buti na sumakay kami agad sa doon kami sa number 4. Gate 4 yun pala, gate 9. So may mga gate siya. Ang haba, 15 minutes. Ayan. Pero thank you Lord, nakapasok kami. Pero pagka upo namin, alis agad. Hindi nag-aantay ang train dito sa Japan. So, thank you Lord. So, Hello Kitty yung sinakyan namin train going to Kyoto. Red na naman yung eyes mo. Straight. Look straight. So, Hello Kitty Haruka. Hello Kitty na. Hello Kitty na train. Wow. We're passing the sea. Ha? Kaya sinasabi nilang mahal talaga dito sa dahil sa mga train.
Years later.
Come on, baby. Haruka. Hello Kitty Haruka train station. Hello Kitty Shinkansen. Noodles. Cup noodles. This one. Which one here? Seafood.
I'll pick.
Okay. Me seafood.
I want this one. It's so cute. Look at the duck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, so cute. That's it. Huh? You want juice? Wala, asan ba? Ay, tur, ano pa? Jack, get cart bill. That one, oh. Where to put the food. Meron dito, lagyan na lang ng, initin na lang. Rice, Papa. Gia, you want juice? Which juice? Mango, apple.
I want mango.
Mango?
Yeah.
This one.
Done. We're all done, Mama.
Saan tayo bibili ngayon?
Meron din yung lagyan na lang ready to eat na. Ito. Ito din pa oh. Oh, may pasta din eh. No, I will get latte first. Strong tea. Which one is good? Wait, I'm getting tea. Green. Anong tea dito maganda pa? Jasmine tea na lang.
Maybe careful with that.
Jasmine tea.
Yeah.
Gia, come on. Oh, Papa.
Mama, let's go.
Yeah. Ang sarap ng chichirya pa, oh. Ito.
Waka.
Onion rings. Corn potato. Salted corn.
Ano ka na ng breakfast din?
Mamaya na.
Hindi eh. Para bukas maaga tayo eh. Ano ka na ng breakfast?
Iinitin yan eh. Diyan na. Go there, oh. I will get this, So cute. Ano to? Diba ito kayo?
It's so yummy. It's so
You know.
Give me one.
How to speak Japanese, baby, huh? Say thank you, arigato. Arigato. So we buy in Daily Yamazaki.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. Arigato. So nice here, and it's still cold. It's summer, but it's cold. See, it's so clean. I love her. I love this place. So clean, very peaceful. And dito pa. And our house is near in the train station. Super clean, and it's peaceful. Napaka-peaceful. Malamig siya. It's June 3. June 4 na pala ngayon. So, pauwi na kami. Galing kami. Bumili ng food namin dahil grabe yung kapaguran namin sa journey, sa travel. Grabe yung transfer. So, at least alam na namin na ganito pala dito sa Japan. Halos metro, train, bus. And lagi meron kang card. Dahil hirap mag-communicate. So, ayan. So, this is where we stay. Shiki Higashiyama. Place. Slipper here. So put our slipper here. Knock up. So kailangan ilagay yung tsinelas dito. Specific color by room. So alam ng may-ari na nandyan na yung tenant. Ayan. So yung purple wala pa, hindi pa dumating si purple pa. Si purple hindi pa dumating. So, where's my sleeper? I need my sleeper. So this is our
Mama, this here because
where we stay.
this is like a
Ayan. Sa Japanese style. Or shower. Excuse me muna, anak. So this is our shower. In shiki. Nice bathtub. Nice shower.